Question is your favorite reality show. I love all the reality shows. मुझे Big Boss, सारे music reality shows बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. तो I cannot pick anyone.
जिसमें रोकड़ा अच्छा मिले ना वो अच्छा रियलिटी शो है कि 2-3 महीने में आपने, है ना, अच्छा मतलब.
है ना क्योंकि मेरे नाम पे फिल्म बनता है.
I like all the reality shows which pay you well. I like hosting actually. Yeah. More than a contestant, I like to be a host. So, because I don't have a very good way of speaking. So when I'm hosting, I can learn that, right?
Your favorite memory from BHPK?
When we get checks.
And you don't get overtime checks on time.
I love my producers and with all due respect. नहीं तुम ही बोल लो, तुम्हारी बर्थडे है, तुम बोल दो.
मेरी बर्थडे अभी अभी गई है, ठीक है?
तुम्हारी बर्थडे में शूट हुआ, मेरी बर्थडे में नहीं होगा, गलत बात है.
अच्छा है ना, सी? That was a memory.
मेरी ये मेमोरी है कि मेरी बर्थडे में शूट नहीं था. नहीं जस्ट किडिंग. आई थिंक मोस्ट चेरिश मोमेंट्स ऑन ब्याह हमारी बहू का वुड बी द फैमिली सीन्स, क्योंकि हम इन बिटवीन शॉर्ट्स हम लोग इतना हंसते थे उस वक्त. तो ये नहीं थी, पॉलोमी थी तो नहीं, बट वी रियली डू एंजॉय एंड वी डू इट एट माई एक्सपेंस बिकॉज सब लोग मुझे बलि का बकरा बनाते हैं एंड मैं तो मासूम हूँ.
झूठा. सबसे ज्यादा सबकी मिमिक्री ये करता है, सबकी उड़ाता ये है.
तो लगता है मेरी शक्ल देख के मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ.
शक्ल पे मत जाओ, लुक्स कैन बी डिसीविंग.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
नेक्स्ट फैन शिफाली.
शिफाली को मैं कभी मिला नहीं हूँ बट अभी मिल रहा हूँ.
For Gaurav, how was your journey being in the industry so far? Are there any shows that you regret being a part of? And are there any shows you wish you were a part of? And there are 3 questions. एक साथ. तो सबसे पहले हमारी
शिफाली जी, मेरी जर्नी जो थी, एज दे से दैट द जर्नी इज मोर गुड दैन द डेस्टिनेशन. सो आई थिंक मेरी डेस्टिनेशन अभी मिली नहीं है. आई एम स्टिल इन द जर्नी प्रोसेस एंड ट्रैवलिंग प्रोसेस एंड इट्स बीन अ वंडरफुल जर्नी. मेरे ये 6 साल कहाँ निकले मुझे खुद नहीं पता. मुझे अभी, मैं वही श्रेणु को बोलता हूँ कि मुझे अभी ऐसा लगा था कि मैं आई वॉज योर एज एंड इन दीज 6 years आई हैव रियली मैच्योर्ड एज एन एक्टर, एज अ पर्सन, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ सन. तो मुझे पता नहीं चला बट दिस जर्नी हैज़ रियली टॉट मी अ लॉट एंड आई थिंक टू सम एक्सटेंट आई बिकम बेटर टू व्हाट आई वाज व्हेन आई वाज.
What? You regret being a part of any show?
Not regret, but मुझे ऐसा I would not like to name the show, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक्टर कहता है मेरा हर शो अच्छा है. नहीं, मैं नहीं बोलूँगा क्योंकि हर दिन सेम नहीं होता, हर चीज़ सेम नहीं होती. तो कई ऐसे शोज़ हैं जो मुझे लगता था कि मेरे से बेहतर कोई दूसरा कर सकता था या मैं उसमें उतना अच्छा नहीं था. नॉट दैट द शोज़ वर बैड, बट आई थिंक आई कुडंट डू जस्टिस. तो ऐसा भी है. और कई ऐसे शोज़ भी हैं जो मुझे लगता है कि मैं दूसरों से अच्छा कर सकता हूँ और गिव इट अ चांस, या आई कैन डू.
Which show?
I really don't want to answer that because it leaves a bad taste.
लगता है.
Offensive लगता है and I'm not that sort of a person who will regret after doing something. It happened, I took the choice, I took the plunge and आप पानी में जंप मारेंगे तो आपको गीला होना पड़ता है and only then you learn how to swim. So just because of doing all those things I've become a better actor and I have really no regrets.
For Shrenu, if you had one chance to play a role in a movie, which role would you pick? That's a tough one. But I think Black में जो रानी मुखर्जी ने किया था वो बहुत अच्छा था and
एक शॉट करके दिखा दीजिए. एक बार करके दिखा दीजिए. एक बार. अरे क्यों? अरे
मुझे चांस मिले तब तो मैं करूं.
अरे एक अपने फैंस के लिए. आप शिफाली को उसने सवाल पूछा है, इतना लिख के भेजा, एक स्टेप करके दिखा दीजिए जो रानी मुखर्जी ने किया था, ऐसे ऐसे करके एक करके दिखा दीजिए. और क्योंकि ब्लैक है तो आपको माइक की जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स हाँ, ये मेरे को दे दीजिए.
अरे वो that is part of the scene. No, she fails in the college and वो उसकी मम्मा को जब बताती है that she failed, तो ये वो वाला पार्ट था. ऐसा किया था उसने.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, नया शो मिल जाएगा.
Now these are the questions for both. How does it feel like working with each other?
For her it's very tough, for me it's easy.
That's the answer. What is
You
the
know why?
What is the one thing that irritates you about each other? For him it's my BBM, and for me it's his mood swings at times.
I really didn't know that.
What is the one thing that you like about each other?
That she can tolerate me.
Yeah, and I can tolerate her. I like about myself.
Next question.
No. I really like him because he is a lot matured person and experienced. तो मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है.
चल झूठी, सच्ची बोल.
ये मैंने सच बोला है गौरव.
That I like him because he's handsome, he's nice, he's good to talk to.
बोल दो, तुम कर लो अपनी तारीफ. कर लो, नहीं तुम कर लो. तुम्हारा बर्थडे. Who is funnier between the two of you?
Shrenu.
You can see.
Shrenu.
Hey,
Shrenu.
You.
Wawa. Shrenu.
Gaurav. Next fan, Farhana. Nice.
फरहाना, ये भी रख लो तुम. 7-8 नाम तो हो गए तुम्हारे आज.
Hi, I'm a big fan of both of you and really like BHBK. All the best for your project.
I really love you too.
Gaurav, you are my favorite actor since Kumkum, and you never fail to amaze us in each role.
क्या बात कर रही है फरहाना, मतलब I am really floored by your compliments. Thank you so much.
Questions for both. What is your biggest fear?
That one day I get up and suddenly somebody starts saying, "Yeah, you are not a good actor." Because I think मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. Like everybody works hard. I've strived very hard because I'm not a trained actor. I was just a normal corporate boy next door. तो मुझे ये लगता था कि अगर मैं एक दिन उठूँ और लोग कहें नहीं आप बहुत ही बेकार एक्टर हैं, तो आई थिंक दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट फियर एंड आई होप कि ऐसा दिन कभी ना आए.
And for me, if someone...
Thank you, आपका टाइम अप.
Okay, fine. Next question. Do you believe in destiny?
Yes, I do. See my rings and see all the things.
I'm not wearing, but I still believe in destiny. That's
is
why
short
I'm here.
already.
An unforgettable day of your life.
A lot of days, and Farhana, I think most of the days are unforgettable because हर रोज हम कुछ नया सीखते हैं, कुछ नया करते हैं, which is a new experience. And I think I'm saying on behalf of both of us that every day is a learning curve. So I think all the days are very memorable in our lives. It's one life, live it to the fullest. Next is Dharin, DHARIN. How do you pronounce it? Dharin. You are the cutest girl in the whole universe. You look like Ash. We want to see you in movies. Hopefully you end up with somebody like Abhishek.
This was added, okay?
No,
Abhishek
but Ash married Abhishek, so
but
probably
then
you
why
look
are
like
you
her, so you
adding?
will.
But why are you adding up
Okay. Thank you, Dharin.
Thank you so much, Dharin. I love you.
Dharin ने मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा, तो मैं आपको तब भी विश करूंगा ऑल द बेस्ट. लास्ट वाला है, चलो. नीमो ने बोला है, हाय गौरव एंड श्रेनु, माय नेम इज नीमो पटेल फ्रॉम USA. I'm one of your biggest fans and I really love you guys in the serial. You guys have done an awesome job and so far I can never miss any episode of this show. Totally in love with it. We are in love with you that you love our show, which is called Bya Hamari Bahuga, which is not going to last very long. So keep holding to all those episodes. Totally in love with it. I always get excited what will happen next.
Keep talking.
Really, Nemo? I love you too. Keep rocking, you both. Shrenu ma'am, you look so beautiful and have a cute smile and face. Gaurav sir, you just damn cute and handsome. Love you both. I love you too. Question: if you got a chance to be in Bollywood film, would you guys take the chance? And what would you name the film? If I get a chance to do a film, I would definitely do it. If I can do justice to it. And नाम मेरे हाथ में नहीं होगा रखना, because I think the director and the producers will feel like. So I think we will leave it to them. But yeah, given a chance, we would love to do it. I'm sorry because we are rushing क्योंकि हमारा shot ready है. So अगर आपके questions हमने rush करके answer किया है, we are very sorry. But with all honest answers, we are going to answer.
Maria, next fan. Hey Gaurav, I watched your show Dil Se Diya Vachan and liked you. Then started watching your old shows on YouTube and then came
your chemistry with Karan and Anupriya in Ritz Gile Pal. You rocked. Shrenu is a very simple, elegant, charming girl and loving your chemistry in BHK. We will miss you big time, Gaurav. Come back soon. We'll miss you, Shrenu. Never expected BHBK to go off air so soon. Or did we? But I guess something bigger and better is waiting for you. And of course, yeah, question for me is how was your experience dancing with Vidya Balan on Ooh La La? I think it was an Ooh La La experience for me because I love hosting and I love dancing. So, and what next? Because I think Vidya Balan was the biggest thing that year, and the biggest thing that year. Shut up. So I really loved it, and she's a very humble, down-to-earth person. I hope that if I reach that heights, I should also be like that.
Any crazy thing a fan has done for you?
Yes, they have sent me gifts from all the way from Pakistan, which I have kept in my house, which is very loving. I showed it to my folks; they really loved it, and I forgot the name, but I would just like to thank her again if you're watching. Thank you for all the gifts, and I think all that matters is your love for us.
Fatima.
Gaurav,
For you only. Gaurav,
best of luck for your future. Waiting to hear from you in a new show. Me too, Fatima. Thank you so much. Would love to know if there's a real story for this show, when it started off. The real story was quite different, I must say, Fatima, because I'm speaking on even my writer, my creative writer and producer Atish Bhai also told me that the main story hasn't started yet. But then it's all right. I think for some other show it will be there. And Sid, do you think
Question for
BHBK would have been more successful if creatives stuck to the origin? I think the whole idea was that, because the whole concept which we were shared and told about was the triangle between Follow Me, Krish and Rajni. I personally feel कि थोड़ा better होता, but then again I am nobody in this big fat world of television, so I'm just an actor. It's my job to do it, and they don't ask us what to do, and we are in no position to tell them. They are bigger people, they are more intelligent people, more experienced people. So I think अभी वहाँ पे पहुँचने में थोड़ा टाइम है जब लोग हमारी सुनने लगेंगे. तब तक we just did our job. I hope you liked what we did. In spite it was not the main track of the show, right?
Next fan, Ashka. Shrenu, you are really pretty and you just look like a doll. Love you. Thank you so much.
We sell this doll for $300 in Diwali.
I hate
Miniatures.
you- I hate you so much.
अरे क्रिश के भी बने
But
हैं,
Ashka, I love
रावण
you.
के भी बने हैं.
But I love you,
What?
Ashka. Thank you so much.
What यार, ईगो तो है ही नहीं इसमें एकदम.
Gaurav, you are the most good-looking and amazing actor ever on TV, and you always make me happy whenever I feel low. I watch your videos on YouTube to cheer me up. You have that quality which not many people have. Stay the way you are. May you get all the success in the world. Love you forever.
Thank you so much, Ashka. Thank you so much, and I'll keep that in my mind that मैं और अच्छे वीडियोस करूं और अच्छा काम करूं ताकि आपको चीयर कर सकूं ऑन यूट्यूब. कभी भी शो भी देख लिया करो हमारे, तो शायद टीआरपी आ जाए. बट एनीवे, ऑल द बेस्ट एंड वी लव यू टू. To all the answers and all the questions which we have come across, it was a wonderful experience doing BHBK. बहुत अच्छे लोग मिले, बहुत अच्छे नए लोग मिले. काफ़ी अपनी चीज़ें जो गलतियाँ थी वो ख़त्म करने की कोशिश की. होपफुली वो अगले शो में रिपीट नहीं करूँगा मैं. बस I have learned a lot in these 6-7 months, and it was a wonderful holiday period, I would say, because it was like a holiday coming to work. अब मुझे लगता है काम पे जाना पड़ेगा जब काम नहीं होगा.
True. I'm gonna miss all of us.
Thank you very much. Officially आज मैं इंडिया फोरम से बोलता हूँ. She's been really wonderful, very caring, very nice, very understanding to my stupid jokes. And if मैंने कुछ ऐसा बोला हो जो तुम्हें बुरा लगा हो तो मन ने શું ફરક પડે છે. I'm just kidding. She's lovely.